class, my name is Christopher Rockwell. This is my week 1 reflection video for MDF 3, term 1403. This week was really exciting. I had a lot of fun learning the new concepts and the fact that you can communicate between applications so easily within the Android platform. I know with Objective-C, I'm not sure if they made that many strides as far as communicating between applications as Android have. And it's really exciting to know, because I can see a lot of things I can do already in my mind with that type of feature. But I want to kind of go through my app. The hardest thing for me this week really was trying to figure out what kind of application I want to build. And I got some feedback from the instructor, which really helped me out, so I really appreciate that. But let me go off into the application. Now, with my launching app, what I'm actually doing, I'm going to show you a little bit of code here. Here's where I'm doing it. When you click the launch button or the launch image button, I'm just setting the type to plain, and I'm doing the action send, of course, because it's an email app. And then I'm setting a extra here, which is just the email address I created for this particular project. Just something, for people that's testing the app. They can have a from email address, that way they can send it to themselves and kind of show that everything's working properly. So it's the mdf3test@gmail.com. So it's gonna, if I open my main activity or my main app, which is the actual email app, by itself it's not gonna have this, but if I launch it, I'm carrying this information over into my other activity from the launcher. So let me demonstrate that. So launch email app. It's going to show all the different things you can do. I have the Gmail, but here's mine, simple email. I did like that on purpose, kind of like a play on words, because simple has the E at the end and email has the E at the beginning, so something kind of fun and unique to kind of set the app apart. If any other app use the word simple, which I'm sure they do. So the pre-populated default email from here that I created, that's coming over from my launcher. And then I think what sets my app apart is that instead of making my users have the emoji keyboard, I'm allowing them to use some emojis just by clicking these buttons here, because I have a few relatives that really don't know how to use that kind of stuff. And you can explain it, but I think it's a lot easier if you just implement something like this into an email application where they can just simply click it and then just add the emojis. So I'm going to kind of demonstrate, the emojis actually do send in the email. Because I did have some issues with trying to put these images in there and it just didn't send, so I had to do the encoding. That's why these look different from this. So these are for visual purposes, and this is what's actually going to send, and it's even going to look different on the email side. So I'm just going to kind of demonstrate everything working here. Subject, just kind of get sent. Then I have this thing here telling you sending the mail, and please wait, to kind of give you some feedback. Then you're going to get either a success message or a failure message right here. Email sent, your email was sent successfully. And we have the email here. I'm going to open it up. And right here, I have all 6 emojis successfully sending. So that's how it's going to look. And of course, you add text, it's going to just look, you're going to see what you're going to send right here. It's going to look exactly like this. So it is sending successfully. Let me see, what have I not learned in Java that I know in Objective-C? In Objective-C, I realized we learned a lot about list views and how to manipulate them and put them in sections and do a lot of different things with them. We hadn't really covered that in Java, so I'm looking forward to hopefully getting off into that, because I feel list views are very, very important. I've actually made some of my own applications in iOS and submitted them to the App Store, and they both use list views, so either list views or grid views. So I feel like those are very, very important, and I definitely want to learn how to use those in Android. What could have I done differently? This week I think I got everything implemented that I wanted to get implemented, so I feel pretty confident, and I'm really happy with what I've done this week. Was able to get the concepts down and hopefully good enough to receive the grade I think I am. I always try to submit something that I feel like is 100 or at least an A with the given time. So I think I got all the concepts grasped pretty good. I really don't need any clarification for this week. Really had a lot of fun learning everything. Hope y'all had as much success as I have. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.